Good morning students, welcome in BA part 2nd. As you know that we were reading our long poem, very philosophical poem, that is Rabbi Ben Ezra. As from the first video of Rabbi Ben Ezra, we have discussed that every part of poem deals with one special feature, one special quality, one special principle related to human life. The base of this point is not directly related with the world's manner, but if we understand deeply, if we read it deeply, if we explain it again and again, then we must know that everything is related to our life. We just found the secret of life. We just found the objective mission and the purpose of life. We also found the role of superpower God, why He made us. We also found there are the various visions and objectives that we are on this earth. We born here. Why we born here as human being? Everything was presented with philosophically as the reference of Bible. Rabbi says that everything, every happening, every task has their particular mission or objective. Same as it is applicable that if we born on this earth, if we living today, if we are a man or a woman, we are general human being, and there is not a useless objective. There is a particular mission. There is a particular goal of that superpower who made us human being. We must try to complete our mission and objective. As we know that we are the best creature of God, and after many and many births, we get this birth. Everything is completed in Rabbi Ben Ezra. Every aspect related to our life, that is completed in Rabbi Ben Ezra. And as we know, the poem divided into various parts. Every part deals with a point of life. And in our last videos related to Rabbi Ben Ezra, in first, second, third videos, I started 2, 3 parts of this poem. That is deals with the span of life. Life is a collection of different type of the spans, different type of the durations, and every duration, every part of our life has their fixed objective, their fixed task, and according to that objective and task, we should work. This is a common human principle. Even this is a very philosophical, and according to philosophy, how to live life, that is presented that we must make every type of relationship that attached to us. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss very important part of this point, that is part number 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. These three are interconnected and correlated part, and it is very difficult to read it separately. So, we try to complete it today in 8, 9 and 10. These three parts deal with the three major philosophical parts of our life. These three attached with our life, with the life of human being very closely. In part number 8, there is the definition of soul. What the soul is. We know it is shapeless, designless, without any structure, even living in our soul. This is a thing that directs us. It is a part of our life. It is a part of our body, or we can call it part, having shapeless and designless. But everything, in every situation, in every circumstances, we directed by the soul. The role of soul, whenever there is soul that is active in our body, we are standing every day. Our survival, our life depends upon the Position of soul, Atma, that we are calling in Hindi, psyche, that is our man, soul, Atma. In point number 9, poet speaks about the role of body. This is our structure, a complete body. Body and soul is interconnected. If we want to make them separate, nothing can be lived. We are living due to soul, not soul is living due to body. But understand it in a philosophical and religious way. We are living today due to the activeness of the soul. If the soul finish, there is not any role of this huge, very built up structure of body. The body that is very weighted, but powerless, meaningless, nothing if there is no soul. The working position is soul. We should try to divert ourselves. We should try to devote our tasks and actions according to soul. Third part that is related in point number 10, 8, 9 and 10. That is the importance of God, God. That is the role of God. And God, body and soul. These three are interlinked. Today we are going to discuss God, then soul and then body. These three are very important at the time. We must know the features, we must know the attachment of all these three. What is the attachment? There is the attachment that was cleared by the body. At the time when we become completely body related, if we care for body only, if we think for body only, that is physical need. It means you are going far from your soul. You are going far from your man, your heart, your psyche. This is the conception. Make attachment with your body. Although at the time when we get body, it is not easily possible or easy to make a relationship with psyche and God, with soul and God. These two are different, and when you connect with body, then it is very difficult to make combination. To make a suitable combination with your body to the God and soul. This is the main focus or the main objectives of Rabbi Ben Ezra. That how to make a complete sense or a relationship with our body to soul and God. We just start from point by point, and very first we just read. That is point number 8. In point number 8, there is the definition, role, features, importance or connectivity as well as its relationship with the body. How the soul is related to us. That is presented in point number 8. You are requested to open your textbook and read with me. What is he is a beauty, whose flesh had soul to shoot, whose spirit works least arms and legs want play. To man, propose this test, thy body at its best. How far can that project thy soul on its lawn? What is he? He is used for only a symbol, any person, he. But a beauty. Beauty is used for, you can say, like mindless, or you can say normal animal. A normal animal. Whose flesh, body, has soul to shoot. Soul to shoot. Soul to shoot. Flesh is used for complete structure of your body, complete physical design of your body. If we never make a relationship with our body, to our soul, to our psyche, then there is not any difference between human being and animal. Means animal is more better than us. Animal is more better than us if he acts according to body only. If he gives importance to body only and completely feeding body only. That is not a common feature of human being. a very suitable combination, a very suitable link between body and soul. So this is the difference between human being and an animal, because an animal we generally found that it is said that they cannot make a sense with the soul, a relationship with the soul. Even if we are doing same, then how we can prove that we are the best creature of God? Whose spirit works, जिसकी spirit soul, मन, आत्मा works best arms and leg words to play, और arms and leg का मतलब पूरे दिन भागो वर्ड प्ले लगा, यानी आत्मा से मेहनत करता रहे। whose spirit works means आत्मा जो है that is more broader than body, that is more broader than body, शरीर से कहीं ज्यादा बड़ी है आत्मा। तो वी शुड वर्क हार्ड एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ आवर सोल। इट इज ए गुड फीचर ऑफ ए ह्यूमन बीइंग इफ यू वर्क हार्ड, इफ यू toil only for the purpose to make a combination with the body. To man propose this test and then you try to take test. Parikshan Rabbi says that you try to yourselves in which type of extent you are making a relationship with the body. Never devoted totally to the body. Never devoted as means complete task and action should not be related to the body only. You also make a suitable relationship with our body. And Rabbi also suggests you can also search out. You can also make a test that how great relationship there is. To man propose this test, thy body at its best. Thy body at its best. If you take a particular test or examination, then you will find that yes, your body is working to best. Your body is doing best. Your actions and task is doing best. How far can that protect? तो आप बताइए कि वो कैसे उसको प्रोजेक्ट कर पाएगा, आगे ले जा पाएगा दाई सोल, अपनी सोल को ऑन इट्स लॉन वे। इसका जो लॉन वे है, आध्यात्मिक जो रास्ता है, एक स्पिरिचुअल और इंटेलेक्चुअल रास्ता। मीन्स यू कैन मैन, यहाँ पे जो लास्ट लाइन है दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। दिस इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन रब्बी सेज दैट यू जस्ट रन, यू जस्ट टेक योर लाइफ फॉरवर्ड, यू स्टेप्स इन योर लाइफ on the path of intellectual and spirituality, not the path of world. World is connected with body. World is connected with body. In the last line, the proper way and the objective of our life is to get intellectuality, spirituality. भौतिक जो रास्ता है बजाय उसके अपने को आध्यात्मिक रास्ते की ओर ले जाती है सोल। सोल इज द पाथ, सोल इज द वे दैट डायरेक्ट्स अस टुवर्ड्स द वे ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी, टुवर्ड्स द वे ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी। तो वी मस्ट फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ सोल, नॉट द पाथ ऑफ गॉड, बिकॉज इट इज ओनली आवर सोल, इट इज ओनली आवर सोल दैट लीड्स अस towards the path of God, towards the path of spirituality and intellectuality. In point number 9, that is related to body. 9 number point, body से related. Yet gifts is used for all we are the gift of God. So gift is using for the gifts and it is here as our body. Yet gifts should prove their use. You have given the body. You are human being and all we are human being. So what is the use of this human being? We must prove. We must prove the use of human being. We must prove the use of your body. Is your body actively work for the path of intellectuality, for the path of spirituality, or for the way of God? You test it. You take an examination of it. I on the past profuse, O power inside, perfection every turn. I always using for Rabbi himself says that as he completed it in starting, that everything that was given by me, first applicable and adopted by me, and then I am delivering the speech upon it. So I want the past profuse. Past profuse is using for everything that happened in my life already. So power each side, perfection every turn, eyes here took their dog. Brain treasured up the whole. Yes. Means in the life of Rabbi Ben Ezra, he speaks that in my complete life I proved it that I steps every task, every type of step or every type of the speed with the direction of show. Eyes, ears took their door. Eyes और ear, आँख और कानों से आनंद को प्राप्त करना, जो मीन्स एंजॉयमेंट को प्राप्त करना. ब्रेड ट्रेजर सब हो और दिमाग में सारी चीजों का खजाना रहना. शुड नोट द हार्ट बीट वंस. शुड नोट द हार्ट बीट वंस means every time if you completely devoted your life, if you completely devoted your body only to get worldly enjoyment, only to get worldly pleasure, then there is not a suitable use of it. You must make a relationship, you must make a combination that what is the role of life, or according to that role we should try. Again, in the last line, what the meaning? Should not the heart want be how good to live and learn. Very important line. How good to live and learn. How good, कितना अच्छा to live and learn. ये जानना और ये जीना. How to live life, that is very good. How to spend life, that is very good. और how to learn life, that is very good. पहले इस लाइफ को लर्न कीजिए और अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस लर्निंग ट्राई टू लिव लाइफ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड हाउ टू लिव लाइफ, दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय पोएट. In the last point, number 7, that is the features, importance of God. Not once beat, कभी भी परेशान नहीं हुए, बीट नहीं करें. प्रेज विथ थिंग, थोड़ी सी एक बार उसकी एडमायर तो करें, इस गॉड की प्रशंसा तो करें कि वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, वी बोर्न बाय द गॉड, तो वी मस्ट एडमायर गॉड एट वंस. आई सी द होल डिजाइन, उसकी पूरी डिजाइन को देखिए, स्ट्रक्चर को देखिए. एवरीथिंग और एवरी डिजाइन इज द प्लान ऑफ गॉड. एवरीथिंग और एवरी डिजाइन इज द प्लान ऑफ गॉड. We must search out this plan. Everything which we are looking in the world is the result of the production of God's mind. I, whose power, see now love perfect. और मैंने रब्बी जी अपने आप कह रहे हैं, जिसने उसकी शक्ति को देखा है, सी नाउ लव परफेक्ट, तब मैं कह सकता हूं कि उसका लव ही केवल सबसे परफेक्ट है. There is only selfless love to be found in world, that is the love of God. In every love or in every relationship, they are hidden the self, they are hidden the meaning, they are hidden the desire. But there is only one relationship in the world to be found without any self, without any will and desire. That is only calling perfect love. The perfect love that is to be found in world is only the love of God. Perfect I call thy plan. Thy का T capital है, that is used for God. Thy plan, your plan. Plan of God is only perfect in world. Rabbi says that every type of the plan, every type of the guideline and the direction made by the God is most superior. That is most powerful. थैंक्स, इसके एक बार धन्यवाद दीजिए ईश्वर को, दैट आई वाज ए मैन, कि मैं एक इंसान था. विशेष टू हिमसेल्फ, वी कैन आल्सो स्पीक अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स दैट वी आर ए ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो वंस इन ए लाइफ, इन ए डे, इन ए मोमेंट, वी रिमेंबर हिम एंड थैंक्स गॉड दैट वी आर ए पार्ट ऑफ हिज बेस्ट क्रिएचर. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड बीइंग ए ह्यूमन we are best creature of the world. Try to show your sympathy for God, and once in a day at least call thanks to God that you are human being. Maker, remake, complete, very good. Maker बनाने वाला, good. Remake दोबारा बनाने वाला, और complete finish करना. There are three gods in according to Hindu culture, or these three features you can understand here indirectly. Indirectly you can understand that according to Hindu religion and culture, there are three gods: Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Every three have a different type of the task. We are not referring these three directly in our stanza, but you can say that we are made by the God. We remade with the God, and we finished by the God. So everything, every planning, every suggestion, every structure, every schedule that is prefixed. All these prefixed schedule prepared by the God, and there should not be any fault. We should not search out any mistake in this plan. I trust, और मुझे तो पूरा भरोसा है, what thou shalt do. अब आगे भी आप क्या करोगे? Future of the world. Then Rabbi says that we trust upon God forever. The last line says that we trust upon God forever. Be sure, be faithful, be very show your sympathy for God, because keep faith upon Him. His task, His schedule, and His plan is perfect. These three stanzas, number 8, 9, and 10, we have discussed about the relationship of our soul, body, and God. These three are separately but interconnected. Every part of our body, every part of soul and God, these three are in one circle. We should try to understand in one way. And in our today's video, we hope that we can concern something related to the principle of soul, body, and then the task of God. Everything are different, but in one umbrella, they are the same. We just make a combination among these three. In our next video, we will select the next part of this point. Thank you.